Hi, welcome to Sakshi FIIT NEET Academy. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about a classification of chemical species based on the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons and their differences. We just classified a chemical species into isotopes, isobars, isotones, isodiaphers, isoelectronic species, and isosters. So here, what are isotopes? What are isobars? What are isotones, isodiaphers, isoelectronic species, and isosters? So let's begin. What are the chemical species? So before discussing about, I'm just revising that. Assume this element, this atomic number represented with a Z. This is atomic number. So what is atomic number? A number of protons. Number of protons present in the atomic nucleus called atomic number. Here A, this is which is a superscript left side, we are representing for a atomic mass. Atomic mass. So what is atomic mass? Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Present in the atomic nucleus called atomic mass. So element, its atomic number and atomic mass represented like this. Z, that means atomic number. Number of protons present in the atomic nucleus. A represents its mass, atoms mass. So we know that these are the mass particles, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negligible. Electrons have a negligible mass, so we are not considering as a mass particles. These are the nucleons, number of protons plus a number of neutrons present in the atomic nucleus called atomic mass. Because now whatever the chemical species, we are classifying based on the number of protons, number of neutrons and the number of electrons. Commonly chemical species classified as isotopes, next isobars, isotones, here fourth one, isodiaphers, isoelectronic species, and isosters. So these are the types of chemical species: isotopes, isobars, isotones, isodiaphers, isoelectronic species, and isosters. So how can we classify the elements? Which are isotopes, which are isobars, which are isotones, which are isodiaphers, isoelectronic species, isosters. See, these are very important in a entrance exam, that is engineering entrance exam, as well in a medical entrance exam, because there is a frequent questions from these isoelectronic species, isotones, isobars and isotopes. So just listen carefully, which are isotopes, which are isobars, and next isotones, isodiaphers, isoelectronic species, isosters. So let's begin with the isotopes. In this video we are completing up to isobars. In the next video, that is chemical species part 1, introduction including isotopes, isobars classification. Next second video we will discuss about isotones and isodiaphers. In third video, that is chemical species third video, we will discuss about isoelectronic species and isosters. So now I am beginning with isotopes. What are isotopes? So have you understand which is atomic mass, number of protons and the number of neutrons, which are called nucleons, which are mass particles present in the nucleus called atomic mass. Atomic number, number of protons present in the nucleus called atomic number. Every neutral atom has equal number of protons and equal number of electrons. So if the example hydrogen is there. Hydrogen has 1 proton, so as well 1 electron present. Carbon has 6 protons and 6 electrons. The neutral element has a equal number of protons and a equal number of electrons. Just remember this. Now we will begin with the isotopes. What are isotopes? Simple here. The atoms of same element. Here I am taking hydrogen. It's a deuterium. It's a tritium. Example. Atoms of a same element. These are belongs to same elements. Atomic number 1. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Deuterium atomic number 1. Tritium atomic number 1. But coming to the mass, hydrogen atomic mass is 1. Deuterium atomic mass is 2. Tritium atomic mass is 3. How can we take this mass? Just now we discussed number of protons plus number of neutrons in the nucleus called atomic mass. Now see here, these are same the elements which have a same atomic number 1 1 1 but different atomic mass. Different atomic mass. Those are called isotopes. Those are called isotopes. Is it clear? The elements of atoms of same element having a same atomic number but different atomic mass. Different atomic mass. Simple elements which have a same atomic number with a different mass number called isotopes. Here just taking a first example, hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. These all are belongs to one element, but because of mass we just classified hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. Number of atomic number is same, mass is different. In this element 1 proton 1 electron present. Here 1 proton 1 electron 1 neutron. Because of 1 proton 1 neutron, mass become 2. 1 proton, atomic number become 1. Here atomic number 1 means 1 proton, so remaining here total 3, atomic mass total 3 means 1 plus x equal to 3. That means it should be 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So number of neutrons are 3. Number of protons are 1. So 1 proton, 2 neutrons, the mass become 3. 1 proton, 1 neutron, mass become 2. Here only 1 proton, mass become 1. These are called isotopes. I am taking another example. Here oxygen 16, oxygen 18. Atomic number is same 8 and 8, but mass is 16 and 18. Here 8 protons are there, 8 neutrons are there, 8 electrons are there. We just discussed in a neutral atom number of protons are equal to number of electrons. That means there is no charge on this element. Obviously number of protons are 8, number of electrons also 8. So here coming to mass, number of protons are 8 means neutrons are 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Coming to here, number of protons are 8. So but total mass is 18. 18 minus 8, it's a 10. So number of neutrons are 10. Protons are 8. So these are comes under, we can classify as isotopes. Next coming to nitrogen, atomic number 7. Nitrogen atomic number 7, but this nitrogen has 14 atomic mass and this nitrogen has 15 atomic mass. 15 atomic mass. Here 14, 15 different mass number, same atomic number. These also classified as isotopes. Example, here I am taking a chlorine. Chlorine 35, atomic number is 17. Here chlorine 37, atomic number is 17. Chlorine 35, chlorine 37. These are comes under isotopes. Same atomic number but different atomic mass. So classified as isotopes. Simple here. Make this 17 means atomic number double. That means equal number of protons, equal number of neutrons. If there is any excess or less, that means simple, there is a difference in the neutrons only. There is no difference in the protons. If it is atomic number is 17 protons are there, 17, 17, 34, but here we have a 35. That means 17 protons 18 neutrons are there. Coming to here, 17 protons and here 20 neutrons. It's become Cl37. So same atomic number but different atomic mass. These are called isotopes. We have a different isotopes. So is it clear? The elements which have the same atomic number but different atomic mass. This is one example, second example, third example, fourth example, and here C12, C13, C14. Atomic number is same, 666. These are the isotopes of carbon. 12, 13, 14, 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 protons, 7 neutrons, 6 protons, 8 neutrons. 12, 13, 14, C13, C12, C13, C14. These are the isotopes of carbon, isotopes of hydrogen, isotopes of chlorine, isotopes of oxygen, isotopes of nitrogen. So these are the isotopes. So let's move towards isobars. Which are isobars? Now it's very easy. Opposite elements which have a same atomic mass but different atomic number, but a different atomic number called isobars. Here I am taking a argon, which is atomic number is 18, mass is 40. Now potassium, atomic number is 19, mass is 40. Here calcium, atomic number 20, mass is 40. See here, these are the elements which have a different atomic number but the mass is same. Mass is same of these three elements, classified as isobars. Classified as isobars. Now I am taking another example. Here C14, N14, 6, here and here 7. Different atomic number, same atomic mass, classified as isobars. Isobars. So this is the story of isotopes and isobars. Simple isotopes, the elements which have a same atomic number but different mass called isotopes. C13, C12, C13, C14, N14, N15, O16, 18. Now coming to hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, hydrogen, deuterium, protium, that is protium, deuterium, tritium. So these are isotopes, isobars, a different atomic number, same mass, called isobars. So hope you understand well. Subscribe the channel, share, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. And here we are providing a live sessions every day from Monday to Saturday. For more information, the WhatsApp or call on a following number which is given in the description. For complete video lecture packages, download the app. There you will get a 10th class, 11th, 12th academics as well, 11th, 12th IIT mains and 11th, 12th NEET chemistry complete package. Thank you.